Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are in the last part of the chapter, today in this video we are going to start exercise 2.3. The first question I had already written. In that we have to find out that which of the following will not represent zero. इसमें से कौन zero को represent नहीं करता है? Okay, so we'll find out. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, so it means it doesn't represent 0, that's why no. Now 0 into 0 is equal to 0, so it represent 0, that's why yes. 0 divided by 2 is also 0. स्टूडेंट याद रखना है खास, 0 को हम कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कोई भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ पे हमें लिखना पड़ता है नॉट डिफाइंड. बट अस हियर इट इज बीइंग गिवन दैट 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो इट विल बी 2 zeros are 0. So again yes. Fourth one, 10 minus 10 is 0 upon 2, which is equal to 0. So yes. So कौन सा रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहा है? जस्ट द फर्स्ट वन, it is not representing 0 because in the answer we are getting as 1. बाकी सब में 0 आंसर आ रहा है, so they are representing 0. Now question number 2, it is being given if the product of two whole number is 0. कोई भी दो whole number का product means multiply करके जब आंसर आता है it is 0. Can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. क्या बोल रहे हैं कि या तो एक दोनों नंबर में से कोई भी एक नंबर 0 होना चाहिए, नहीं तो दोनों नंबर 0 होना चाहिए, then only we will get the answer as 0. So justify through examples. So example, let us take 5 into 0, the answer will be 0. सो दो होल नंबर का प्रोडक्ट क्या आया? 0, जहाँ पे एक दोनों में से एक होल नंबर 0 है, सो 5 0 से इट इज़ 0. और यू कैन टेक 0 इंटू 0, देन ऑल्सो द आंसर इज 0. सो दोनों कंडीशन हो सकती है. जब दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करे तो उसमें से एक कंपल्सरी 0 होना चाहिए, देन द आंसर विल कम 0, और बोथ कैन बी 0. So yes, if one of the whole number is 0 or both of them are 0, we will get the answer as 0. Okay, if the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through example. ये दोनों का एग्जाम्पल बता दिए, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 0 आना चाहिए, उसमें से एक कंडीशन दी है दैट एक नंबर दोनों में से कोई भी एक नंबर 0 होना चाहिए या दोनों 0 होना चाहिए. सो बोथ वी हैड seen through example, so that's why I had written yes, if one of the whole number is 0 or both of them are 0, we'll get the answer as 0. Same way question number 3 is being given in your textbook. If the product of two whole number is 1, तो दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट है 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? जस्टिफाई थ्रू एग्जाम्पल. आंसर चाहिए 1, दो होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि एक 1, दोनों में से एक 1 होना चाहिए और बोथ शुड बी 1. सो लेट अस सी विद द एग्जाम्पल. If we take 6 into 1, so answer is coming 6. But if it is 1 into 1, then the answer is coming 1. फिर 100 into 1 करेंगे, so it will be 100, but we want the answer as 1. So compulsory both of them should be 1. What we'll write? both of them should be 1. अगर दोनों 1 होगा तभी जाके आंसर आएगा 1, अदरवाइज a number multiplied by 1 the answer is, this is multiplicative identity. A number multiplied by 1 the answer comes the number itself, but we want the answer as 1, so both the whole numbers should be 1 only, then only 1 ones are it will be 1. Now question number 4, in that first one we have to find using distributive property. तो 728 into 101. स्टूडेंट मैंने पहले भी बोला था इट विल बी ऑलमोस्ट नियर अबाउट 200 or 1000 something like that, where we'll get the zeros at last. So here distributive property use करना है. So 728 we'll write as it is into 100 plus 1. distribute हो गया 101. So now it will be 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1, a into b plus a into c. So 728 and 2 zeros plus 728. Now last 2 digits are 0, so we'll write 28 as it is. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, so 1 2 plus 1 is 3. So it comes to 73,528. Now second one you can do it by yourself. You have to take it as 1000 plus 1. Now second one is 824 into 25. Now see, almost no one is near to 100. So here we can distribute any two of them, either 800 plus 24 करना है or 20 plus 5. It's upon us, so that the calculation will become easy. Now 800 into 20, 800 plus 25 करेंगे, so it will go little bit big. So what we will do, we'll distribute 25 only. So 824 into 20 plus 5. So 824 into 20 plus 824 into 5. So 0 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are is 4, and 2 8s are is 16. Plus 5 4s are is 20, so 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 1 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41. लास्ट में दोनों के 0 है, so 0 8 plus 2 is 10 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 4 is 10 1, so 20,600 will be the answer. Now same way remaining sums are being given of question number 4. So as I told you, the second one you have to do it by yourself. Third one, here if you want you can take 100 plus 25, and in last question if you want you can take 500 plus 4 also, or if you want to take 30 plus 5, then also you will get the same answer. Okay, so remaining 3 sums you have to do it by yourself. Now fifth one, study the pattern, and we have to write the next 2 steps after this. So first what they've done, 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. 123 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. 1234 into 8 plus 4 is equal to 9876. 12,345 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98,765. Now see what had happened. 8 common in all, then 1 was common here, फिर वो 1 हो गया 12, so here 2, so here also it became 2. 3 is being added over here, so यहाँ पे भी 3 add हो गया. Here they taken the 4, so here also 4, then 5, so here also 5. और क्या आंसर में क्या फ़र्क आया? देखो पहले 9 था, then it became 98, then 987 means 987, then 9876, 98765. सो इसके बाद के 2 स्टेप्स हमको लिखना है. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, आप लोगों को पहले ये सब लिखना है, all the 5 steps, and then the remaining 2 steps I am writing that you have to write down. Question number 5. So 5 तक था, so we'll go to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 8 plus 6 is equal to 98765. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 8 plus 7 is equal to 9876543. So these are the remaining 2 steps of that, and after that given this hint, okay, so this was the, हमने 2 इसका भी लिखे. we'll write the 2 steps for this also. इसका hint already दे दिया है. Write the next 2 steps. Can you say how the pattern works? The hint is being given in this manner. So hint क्या दिया है? 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to plus this is the hint. अब इसके बाद के 2 steps हमको लिखना है. So how can we write down? It's very simple. देखो टोटल 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर्स थे, तो 5 1 से 1 2 3 4 5, फिर 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 and 1. So now what we'll do, we'll write 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. तो यहाँ पे 5 था, so here we'll start 6 1, we will have to write 2 3 4 5 and 6 plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 plus 1 2 3 plus 1 2 and plus 1. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll begin with writing 7 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 plus 1 2 3 plus 1 2 and plus 1. So these are the remaining 2 steps. दोनों के हमने 2 steps extra लिख दिए. So this is all for your chapter number 2 and exercise 2.3. Hereby we finish. Just you have to do the remaining 3 sums of question number 4. I hope so now the chapter is being clear to you. In the next video we'll begin with the next chapter that will be playing with numbers. So till then, thank you and take care.